So we chose the Net Zero Accelerator programme because we felt it was totally aligned to our values around strategic priorities. So the kilowatt per hour savings of the solar installation at Hillies will be around 22,000 kilowatts per hour on an annual basis. So we currently produce over 2,000 tonnes of carbon every year, and it is our absolute priority to try and amend that over the next few years and become net zero by 2040. The organisation that I work for is Barnsley Premier Leisure. We employ over 500 people across Yorkshire and Nottinghamshire, which includes 12 different attractions. 10 of those attractions are fitness and swimming, and then 2 are golf courses. The golf course in question for this project was Hillies Golf Course in Wombwell, and part of our strategic priority is ensuring we're investing in sustainable solutions to keep buildings open and to offer service to the local community. So Barnsley Premier Leisure are a charitable trust, and we have a model of reinvestment, and the current model allows us to reinvest around £2.5 million a year across our areas. We work with some extremely trusted partners, including Barnsley Council, and they have stood side by side with us in these sustainable solutions across some of our bigger buildings like the Metrodome, Dernside Leisure Centre, Hoyland Leisure Centre, and obviously Hillies. So we chose the Net Zero Accelerator programme because we felt it was totally aligned to our values around our strategic priorities of being good for all in our local communities. And by offering great delivery, by minimising our carbon output, we have strong plans to decrease our carbon emissions by 20% by the year 2030, and trying to achieve net zero by 2040. So this innovative fund was helping us to achieve that. So the stage we're at in terms of net zero, then we're trying to achieve net zero by 2040, as I've mentioned, and we're doing that in a variety of different ways, such as looking at the behavioural change of our staff and our customers, which is a journey we're on, but also by making sustainable, innovative investments in things such as solar, like we've done at Hillies, which are going to help reduce our carbon output and ensure that we can reinvest into our facilities the money we're saving. So the kilowatt per hour savings of the solar installation at Hillies will be around 22,000 kilowatts per hour on an annual basis. As energy is used throughout the whole building at Hillies, it will cover 100% of its 411 metres squared. Through the use of the grant, we are looking with our trusted partner, Barnsley Council, at making further innovative investments into sustainable solutions such as these. One of the leading strategic initiatives at Barnsley Premier Leisure at the minute is It's a Green Thing. So we are looking at energy efficient investments, but also changes around staff behaviour and member behaviour. And by part of making this investment, we believe that it's good for everyone and good for all our communities and has a positive impact on everyone around us. So we currently produce over 2,000 tonnes of carbon every year, and it is our absolute priority to try and amend that over the next few years and become net zero by 2040. So to achieve this, we need to be adaptable and able to move quickly and agile with the environments we're dealing with, and to be bold in our investments as well. Our 3 main values as an operator are local, fun and friendly, and innovative. And it's innovative where I believe that this is aligned with the investment in Hillies. Part of our strategic priorities is to offer great delivery in our operations, and we do this by being bold, making long-term efficient investments that bring a return to the charity, but also enable us to reinvest in the business in the wider aspect. The programme was extremely informative for the leaders that attended from BPL. I think one of the things that the guys gained was the peer-to-peer information that was shared from different industries, across industries, and learning about different pressures from different sectors was really important. And I think that the sustainability approach about learning about terminology, but also learning about how we can really make a difference is the main takeout. So BPL's ambition is to maximise its opportunity to live at the centre of all the communities that we serve. By making investments like this, we believe that it allows us a bigger opportunity for reinvestments to keep bringing our spaces to life and offer a strong offering for our customers. So one of the reasons behind our It's a Green Thing priority is to encourage people to learn more about net zero and energy management and the importance it can play on everyday life. One of my pieces of advice for businesses and operators in the area would be to just embrace change when it comes to energy management systems, and also recognising positive behavioural changes from their teams as well.